I'm going to be showing you how to find the acceleration and velocity of the experiment I did. Okay, so for trial 1, it took 0.73 seconds for the apple to hit the ground, trial 2, 0.90 seconds, and trial 3, 0.88 seconds. And then you have to figure out the average, and to do that you just add up all three numbers and divide by 3, and the average is 0.84 seconds. From there, you can figure out the velocity. And with that, you'll need the height. So the height of my stairs was 100 inches, and I converted it to 2.54 meters. And the velocity, you take, well, the velocity is change of position over change in time. So you take the 2.54 meters divided by your average time, 0.84 seconds, and that equals 3.02 meters per second. That's how you figure out the average velocity. Then acceleration is the change of velocity over change of time. So we just figured out the average velocity, so you take 3.02 meters per second. And for this time, you have to take whatever your average time is divided by 2. So on these graphs, I can show you that. This is a position versus time graph. This line represents velocity. So velocity equals 3.02 meters per second. And this line is moving away. They're both moving away from the origin because the apple was speeding up as it was moving away. And on this, here's the 0.84 seconds. There's the velocity, 3.02. And this is the halfway point, so 0.42 is half of 0.84. So for this, you take 0.42. And that equals 7.2 meters per second squared. And then you can find the final velocity. Final velocity is acceleration times time, so 7.2 meters per second squared times 0.84 seconds, because that was your average time, and that equals 6.04 meters per second squared. Okay, so there's the graphs, the data table, and how you figure out average velocity, acceleration, and final velocity. Thanks for watching.